Okay, hi guys, welcome back. This is Gemma Baham again. Today I'm showing you how to make a homemade hamburger patties. I have here ground beef. So we have here parsley. We will chop that and throw it in there. We have some garlic powder, celery salt. You can use salt if you want. That's black pepper there, and onion powder. Okay guys, the parsley is already there, chopped parsley. Let's put some black pepper, just a dash of black pepper. Some garlic powder, or you can use fresh garlic. I have here some green onions from my garden. So that's fresh green onion from my garden. And some onion powder. Onion powder. Or you can also use fresh chopped onions. Since I cannot use some regular salt, we will be using celery salt. But I always say use salt if you got no problem with salt. A dash of celery. After putting all the seasonings that you prefer or you want, let's mix it all. First, clean hands, wash hands properly, very well, and let's mix it. Make sure don't overmix. Okay, that's finished, that's done. It's already mixed. Alright guys, we already finished mixing our meat with our seasonings. The seasonings we preferred. So we are now ready to make our hamburger patties. We have here a special tool to make a patty. What we do, make a ball, something like that, and put it there. Put this behind. Press it down. And yeah. There we go. We made one. Take it off. Use your hands. Make a ball. There you go. And just press it with your palm like that. 2 palms work together. Or hand, fingers, until you can form a patty. There. It's easy, guys. Just make it equal thickness. There you go. We have 2 ways to cook it. We can use the stove with a grill pan. But if you don't have a grill pan, just use regular pan, that's fine. And I have here another kind. I don't know how they call it. Maybe it's a grill too. It's electric. We plug it in there, and this is the power. We turn this into high to heat it up until this green button turns red. That's when the time you can put your hamburger patty. I can put some here and I can put some over there. I can put some here and I can put some over there. use this again one more time. Make a ball and press. There you go. Spray a little bit of, I think this is already hot. Spray. If you can see that button, green button. A little bit, but that's a lot already. Okay. Good. Let's pour our ground. Now this one, let's put it here. We have some mushrooms here. Put it aside. And let's cook each side 4 minutes. There you go. Nakikita ba? There. The juices from the meat is dripping here on a tray. So that's the water and the oil. That's the difference with this. We can check it. There. We can turn it on the other side. Take this off. Let it just drop it here. That's some dirt. That's the blood from the water from the meat. You can take it off. We don't need that. Turn it like this to brown the other side. We will check it back. I want to make a twist here. Although this one cooks both sides at the same time, we still need to flip it to the other side because this other side will still remain white. We need to make it brown. Grill our vegetables. Okay, we can turn this on the other side. There you go. in a rack to drip, or put it in a rack to drip the juices. And still continue cooking our vegetables, the onions and the mushrooms. This is already done. Put it here. Yes. There you go, guys. All finished and we can turn this off. We'll check back. There. Off. Until it gets cooled down, we just wipe it off. Kind of see, that's why we still need to turn. The difference of this, because the other electric still grill here is all the water and oil drips in there. You see everything. This one it will just get dry. It dried into. Please cooperate so I can finish this now. Okay. Okay guys, this is already done since we cooked it, no water coming out, and it's already brown, and the other side we're almost, so there, it's already done. And some yellow mustard. There we go. Let's put our let's grill it there.